addressing our esteemed teachers, my beloved principal, Ma'am Rosita Ripiso, my advisor, Ma'am Joanne Familial, San Andres School Administration, distinguished guests, and most importantly, my fellow student leaders. I stand before you today as your newly elected SSLG Division Federation President. Our theme for this leadership training is precisely that, to understand and embrace the power we hold as catalysts of change in our schools, communities, and beyond. I believe that leadership is not merely about occupying a position or having authority. It is about creating a positive impact, inspiring others, and igniting the flames of progress. Ngayong araw, bago umuwi po ang lahat, I want us to recognize that each and every one of us has the potential to be a catalyst of change. We possess the ability to change our environments, initiate transformation, and drive society forward. To be an effective catalyst of change, we must first recognize the importance of empathy and understanding. We must listen attentively to the concerns and needs of those around us. Remember, ang totoong leader, they do not impose their ideas. They collaborate, they engage, and they create a shared vision that inspires collective action. Leadership is not a solo journey. It is a team effort. Together, we can create a network of leaders working towards a common goal, a better future for all. My fellow learners, let us remember that leadership is not defined by the positions we hold or the titles we bear. It is defined by our actions, our character, and our ability to be catalysts of change. Let us embrace our role as leaders and seize the opportunity to make a lasting impact. Together, we can ignite the flames of transformation, inspire others, and create a better world for generations to come. We are not here to be the boss. We are here to be their voice. Muli, I am your newly elected SSLG Division Federation President, Santa Pa, Shikaina. Inclusive servant leadership, Sakaina.